Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We trust you're doing well. Employers within the adult social care industry are increasingly turning to international recruitment to find qualified caregivers needed to effectively manage their operations. To address the shortage of healthcare and caregiving professionals in the UK, the government is simplifying the process for overseas health and care workers to work in the country. The UK faces a shortfall in healthcare and caregiving staff, and international workers can help bridge this gap. But before we dive into the details, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. The demand for health and care services is rising due to the UK's aging population. Providers are struggling to fill the growing number of job vacancies with domestic workers. Long-standing labor shortages in the sector have been worsened by recent global events, including the pandemic and the departure of European workers post-Brexit. To alleviate staffing pressures, the government has introduced changes to immigration rules, making it easier for international care workers to qualify for visa sponsorship under the health and care worker route. With healthcare professionals now having easier access to live and work in the UK, it's worth considering whether your business could benefit from this visa route to address staffing needs. How many care workers come to the UK from overseas? Most employers seeking to recruit healthcare professionals from abroad will apply to sponsor workers through the health and care worker visa route. This visa category offers a streamlined, reduced-fee pathway to the UK for eligible healthcare professionals. Over the past year, the number of migrant workers entering the UK via this route has seen a significant increase. According to the latest Home Office statistics, there were 121,290 health and care worker visas granted to primary applicants in the year ending June 2023, marking a 67% increase compared to the previous year. During this period, care workers and home carers comprised around 50% of visas granted under the health and care visa category. These figures highlight a clear demand for international recruitment in the adult social care sector. Becoming a licensed sponsor is an attainable goal for many care providers. To be eligible for sponsorship, overseas health and care workers must meet specific criteria. 1. Qualification for work in health or social care roles in the UK. 2. A job offer from an approved UK employer. 3. Meeting English language requirements. The UK government maintains a list of approved health and care employers who can sponsor overseas workers, including NHS trusts, care homes, and other healthcare providers. If you're an overseas health and care worker interested in securing sponsorship to work in the UK, the best starting point is to find an approved UK employer with job openings. You can search for positions on approved employer websites or job boards such as Indeed and NHS Jobs. Once you've identified a job you're interested in, apply directly with the employer. If your application is successful, the employer will initiate the sponsorship process on your behalf. Keep in mind that sponsorship procedures can take several weeks, so it's wise to plan ahead if you're considering working in the UK. Here are some tips to enhance your chances of securing sponsorship in the UK. 1. Ensure you possess the necessary qualifications and relevant experience for the job. 2. Research approved UK employers and identify those hiring in your field. 3. Tailor your CV and cover letter for each job application. 4. Be prepared to discuss your skills and experience during interviews. If you have any questions about the sponsorship process, you can contact the UK government's immigration helpline via the official UK immigration website. We trust you find this information valuable. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.